Welcome to my channel, and let's draw and paint together.
Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful flying unicorn with a rainbow background. First, we start by drawing the front eye. Make it large, round, and shining with a gentle sparkle. Next, we draw the smiling mouth. We now continue with the small hair section on the forehead. This portion acts like the front lock of the mane, and it will help form the gentle curve above the unicorn's face. Now, let us draw the front wing. Stretch it out slightly as if the unicorn is in mid-flight, with feathers gently spread. After that, draw the two front legs. Bend them a little forward to show the motion of flying. Once the front legs are done, we draw the two back legs. Keep their position consistent with a flying posture. Next, we draw the flowing tail. Let it wave behind the unicorn to suggest movement through the air. After that, draw the horn on top of the unicorn's head. Add several twists along the horn so it appears properly spiraled. Then we draw the rest of the mane, making it long and curved as if lifted by the wind. When the mane is complete, draw the two clouds in front of the unicorn. They should overlap slightly to create depth. Then, add two more clouds behind the tail. Finally, draw the rainbow. Begin with a large curved arc from left to right, moving upward. Repeat the arc about 7 times to form all the rainbow bands. At this stage, the line drawing is finished and we can move on to coloring. Now, we begin coloring the picture. Start with the horn. Use yellow and orange and alternate the two colors along each twist. This creates a warm, glowing effect. Next, color the mane and the small forehead hair using yellow combined with light yellow. Blend the tones to make the hair look soft and bright. Move on to the wings. Color the wings with blue and light blue. Keep the lighter shade near the edges to give a gentle sense of movement. After completing the wings, color the unicorn's hooves using brown. Follow this by coloring the area around the mouth and muzzle with a light beige tone. Keep the shading soft to maintain a natural look. Now, we color the entire body of the unicorn using beige or a light cream color. Make sure the layer is smooth so the unicorn appears gentle and clean. After that, color all the clouds using blue and light blue. Lighten some areas to create a soft, puffy feeling. Lastly, we color the rainbow. Follow the classic order of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Fill each band carefully from left to right. When the rainbow is complete, the whole picture begins to feel bright and full of life. Here is a short fact about unicorns. In many old stories, unicorns were believed to be symbols of purity and gentle strength. They were often described as creatures that could only be approached by someone with a kind heart. Their horn was sometimes said to have healing abilities, and many cultures used unicorn legends to express hope, purity, and goodness. Although unicorns do not exist in reality, these stories made them a lasting symbol in art and imagination. Our drawing is now complete. It is a beautiful picture. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Our drawing is now complete. It is a beautiful picture. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.